Hey students, time to know what's on chapter 1 and chapter 2 for your tests. All right, had a little technical difficulty. We were cruising along. Next thing you know, had a little Google glitch, but we'll do it over. All right, in chapter 1 notes package, you'll need to know what's on slide 2. Remember that you need to know about the organizations. All right, we did have one on that was on there. TSATA. Remember, we talked about it. We said Texas State Athletic Trainers Association, and we liked it because it wasn't just TATA, which could be Tennessee Athletic Trainers Association. So Texas State came up with a different way. This one here, who was the executive director? All right, that is on slide 3. On slide 4, you must know the roles and responsibilities of an athletic trainer. Okay. How about, let's look at, just know that your athletic trainer, they differ from state to state as far as your state laws. But this here, this is a listing question. So it comes straight out of you. There's no word bank. And so slide 1 or chapter 1, slide 6. All right. 7. Slide 7. Now, who is the supervisor and advisor of the athletic trainer? That's the the team physician. You'll also notice that he does the diagnosing for injuries. Athletic trainers do not diagnose. That would be practicing medicine. Athletic trainers will evaluate an injury to see if they need to be seen further by a physician. All right, 7. Let me see if I've got anything on 8. No. 9. Yes. Here is a good question. And that is going to be, where can an athletic trainer work? And these are some of the places that an athletic trainer can find employment. All right, there that is on the test. All right, chapter 1. Another example here. Number 11, this is a listing question. No 4 of those to put on there. No 4 of the 7 classes we spoke of in class to sit for the NATA certification exam. On slide 12, know where you can get continued education units. All right. On '13, we are going to get rid of this question. State licensure is different in every place. So all states do not require athletic trainers to be licensed. California is the one place that has refused to recognize the athletic trainer in a professional manner. That would require registration or licensure. All right. So chapter 2. The slides on chapter 2 will include this here, chapter 2, number 3. That is a listing question. Does not have a word bank. It is asking you to remember 4 of those areas. If you just think of the athletic training room, you should be able to recognize those areas. All right. 2. We also talk about 2.9. Fixed and non-fixed. An example of a non-fixed fixed supply would be your trainer kit or your trainer's trunk. Is it a fixed or a non-fixed item? Remember, if it can be moved, and generally moved not on a daily basis, but say a weekly basis or so forth, then it would be a non-fixed. Now, something such as your treatment tables, you probably shouldn't be moving those too often, so that would be a stationary or a fixed place. On slide 10, bid out to reputable companies, okay? And how often should you do your inventory? And in class, we said we should do that, certainly should do that yearly, so you know how much supplies that you have used in the year. Okay, there's that picture of that bid sheet. All right, on 12, you can purchase from a single emergency item from a single supplier. There's nothing wrong with that. We do that all the time to actually get it done quicker and save time. All right, slide 13. What are some of the budget concerns you need to think about? CEU costs, professional dues. Do you have contracts with physicians where actually you should be getting money back into your program? How much is office costs? Not that we have postage, but there's subscriptions to software that has to be paid. So, know that slide. How about 16? Slide 16. Communication is the key to coaches and daily injury reports. Daily injury reports. 19 is soap. All right. You're going to see S equals, and you fill in the blank of subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. Know what each letter in a SOAP note stands for. And again, it's not a word bank. All right, 2 more down. 21. All right. And computers are great in the training room. All right. They can make reports easier, but they never, ever replace a hard copy. There's only 2 kinds of hard drives, those that have crashed and those that will. So you need to have something in the athlete's file if you're writing notes. All right, well, study and good luck.